So for this screen, we clearly have this calendar stuff where we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then this 13 is, for example, it's almost like Wednesday, 9th of the July, right? So this one is would be selected and then availability. And I can add availability as well. But for this could be calendar view, right? So maybe the job view, right? So for example, here, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so for the calendar we have this sort of calendar. I really like that, and even it is very clear. And then we have our jobs here. So maybe we can do like this: morning, afternoon, and evening. So in evening we have that job, afternoon, and that kind of view, right? So once, even if the job is completed, then we have this kind of view, and once we click on it, we can see all the detail of the jobs, which we can do with we can do that and in the future pages. Okay, so right now I will select this and select this, and I will take it over here. I'm sorry for the messing of, once you are working on it, you will definitely have everything like this. But once you are done, once you are presenting that to the client, make sure you clean up everything. Okay. Okay, super. So now I will just go ahead and select this, take this over here, and for the calendar, we have this is the example. Maybe let's do some sort of inspiration as well. So jobs, or maybe calendar. Wow, that's why, like, the brainstorming and research is important. Look at this inspiration. It is very amazing. I love it. So I will just go ahead and copy that, select that. Love this one. Okay, now let me just select. Okay, this is also another one. This is also another one. This is another one. February. Cool. You can see over here, this is also another one. So make sure you guys do a lot of brainstorming and research. Make sure, and trust me, you will love it. Okay. Even we can see the goals here. So I would take inspiration from here as well. Okay, now I will copy that. This is fine, and we will get started. Wow, this is also this is also good, but I just copy that. Let me just go to Mobin and paste this here. Perfect. Now go back to Chrome and copy this. This kind of calendar is also very amazing and very cool. Wow. Daily. I think this is also very amazing. This is also very amazing. Okay. So this is daily, then one, two, three, I think weekly here. This is copy that. Okay, mob in and paste it here. So I think for the brainstorming we are done, and now let's get started on this one as well. So we have this Wednesday, and on Wednesday we have these timing. So we, for example, this is the time, and these are the tasks that we need to cover, right? So I think this is very very cool. I love it. I love it. Okay, this is also wonderful. This thing was very very clean, super clean. Okay, and then we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday. So what I can do here, I will take this. What do you think? Something like this is good, or something like this is good? I am I am also the fan of this one. This is wonderful, but not sure, on development side it take how much time. But overall we can do it like this. So for example, we will do it like this, and if we have some certain, if we want to do it on daily, then we will just include, like the days here, and boom, this is how we can do that. Okay, on the top we will show the date, and also the day and the date. Okay, and then we will show all the slots. So let's do it. Even if that screen was empty, it will also not look it will also look good. Okay, so let's take the inspiration from here and let's get started. So for this one, I will take inspiration, I will take copy from here, and let me just delete this. Yeah, let's take it here, and take this here. All right, so for the calendar, I think we should do these stuff on the top. This is fine, this is completely fine, and we will do, I think, maybe we will get rid of this user icon here. So to do that, I will just go to the main component, and here I will give it a property. So assign a property here. All right, why it's not working? Actually, let me just do that like this, and this at the top, this one should be file container. So the top one should be the day, and this one should be the day, and this one should be the date. Okay, so let's do it. Day and date. All right, so now I will go ahead and name it calendar. All right, so let's select this one and return the instance. Perfect. Now I will go ahead and select this one and make sure we select the calendar. So for the calendar, let me just make sure it's a Wednesday. So today is also Wednesday, Wednesday, and the date is 9th 9 July 2025. Perfect. Boom. It is cool and love it. Okay. And here I will select calendar. Perfect. So it's mean the calendar one is active and we are in this one. Of course, I don't like this swipe icon. I will replace that. But so far we are on the right direction. Okay. And sitting, I would like to keep that even for this one. I think sitting is very very important because for example, if we want to adjust the setting of availability, we will just hit this and then boom, this availability screen will come in, right? So I think this is very very good in here as well. Okay. Super. Now we have to 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and this is schedule, a schedule, whatever is fine. And here we have this drop down, which we can, like compress this into an day, right? So yeah, let's do that. So we have bookings or whatever, then we have, it should be bold and Blake. This is fine. Okay. And then we have 7 a.m. Perfect. And now what we can do here is I will copy this. I just need a background. So for the background, I can take background from this one. Let me just take background from here. So let's delete this one. Let me make this 10% opacity and boom. So 7 a.m. It should be like this. "16", give it an auto layout, and this one should be 8 pixel. Cool. Now, okay, then we have give this an auto layout, and this one should be 4. So we have 8. Just duplicate it a few times, select this and this, and make sure to take this on the top. I just hold Command Option and close bracket, and then this layer comes on top of all the layers. Okay, perfect. Now we have 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, and it should be PM. Okay, now I think we can do one thing here is decrease the size to maybe 12 here. So we have very very cool UI and UX. All right. So now the main thing which is needed is basically this task. So for the task, we need a few things. Even in here, we have the task could be something like this. This could be the task, so let's do it. So in the task we mainly have the task detail, so something like this. Then we will have the timing or amount per hour, so per hour amount. So let's create that, and hopefully we will understand that. Okay, and for this one, for the task, I will take inspiration from here. So on the top we will have, even I like this one, I really like this one, so maybe we will add our a rectangle here as well. Something like this, and it should be round. Okay, and for the color I will use this one. Boom. And let's select this one and this one, make it auto layout, and this one should be 8 pixel. Perfect, wonderful. And now, so the tags could be, so on the top we will have the description, the title and the description. Okay, and I think we do have some text here which we can, so you I will copy this text, paste it here, copy this and paste it here. And for this one, Chloe's family. Okay, so perfect. Now what else we can do is we will add the amount, so it should be like dollar 33 for hour. Perfect. And maybe we will make this regular like this. Yep, it is fine. And what if we also add the picture, since we will definitely need, to get into the details of that. Okay, so maybe I will take it down, make sure it is top align. Perfect, cool. So in here I will add 2 images. So let's try and create a frame here. It should be 42. Perfect, 42 and 42 here, and need it to be round here, auto layout. Perfect, and it could be like this. Then we will also add some stroke here, the stroke should be this color. Perfect, yep, this is fine. Even I can do it like this. Cool. Now I will have to select this and giving it auto layout, and this one should be vertical align. Okay, so right now I think this is fine, but I will go to this time let's go to pixels. and let's search for kids. So let's use this, or maybe this. Mm, this is also not good. We need a cat portrait. Portrait. Yeah, I think this is middle align, so let's use this one. Oops. We can definitely adjust that. We can definitely adjust that. So for now, I think this color is not looking good. Yeah, I think this is fine. This is fine. Perfect. So we have these two kids of this Chloe family, and lastly, we will have to add, the button. So for the button, let me, we already use this button here. Let me just take it over here, put it here, and this one should be small. Okay, and view detail. Okay, and maybe for this one, it should be fill container. I will give it a stroke. Stroke should be bottom, and this needed to be 20 pixel, which is already, let's try 10 pixel here. Actually I need it given in auto layout, and it should be file container. Okay, view detail. I think this is super. This is perfect. We can use this. Okay, maybe 40. Yeah, and now I will give it a component, and it should be task. All right, and now put that over here. Ignore the auto layout. Okay, so here I can do it, since this will be definitely, like a card, so it's clickable, right? So here, one thing that I can do here, I will just take this 32 here, and it should be hug content. Fill container, hug content. Why? It needed to be work. All right. Yeah, no way. Let me just do it like this. So I just ungroup this, ungroup this. Okay, now auto, give it a frame, and now this one should be all the way to over here, and now select this one, and this one should be, file container. it should be 0. File container. Super. So I think like something like this is fine here. We have the space, we have the amount of hours here. Or maybe we can get rid of these, and instead we will just add a button here. So let's try that one as well. Okay. So I'll go ahead and copy this button, make sure it is small. Okay, and it should be, yeah, primary hour is fine. And now let me just, okay, and now we have to do it, view details. Cool. I think this is it. And lastly, we need to just do it like this. And this one should be 12 pixel. Let's try 12 here. I think this is super, and you can see over here and this one. So in here, if we focus, right, if we focus over here, we have this shadow over here, right? So I think we can also add shadow into it. Okay, so I will click on effect, all right, and I will make this blur to be like this, and the spread should be also, we need to blur this like this. Yes, perfect. And maybe decrease this. Cool, wonderful. And even we don't need the stroke here, so let me just get rid of stroke from here. Oops, no, stroke is needed here. I think yeah, so far maybe we, from top to bottom, we will increase this, decrease this to 6 maybe. Yes, 6 pixel. So here I think the top should be also 0, and let's give this 12 pixel. So now we will have a good one. And here I think I will also increase this to 8 pixel here. And lastly, I will make this 8 pixel. Cool. So we are almost done. We are almost done with this screen as well. And yeah, I think it was also a good start. It was also a good move. All right, and like we can definitely try another different colors here. So for this one, if I want to use a different color, so we'll use this color here. So at least you can definitely give it a try, and hopefully it works. Okay, and yeah, I think it is a great process so far. It is great process, and super. And lastly, let me just add this color stroke as well. Okay, so Yeah, I think we have the calendar screen is also ready. For in this one, I think client also informed me that we have the store which we don't need to worry about. But so far so great. This is calendar, perfect. And yeah, calendar screen, the main screen is also ready. And boom, I think what we need is to cover these one, two, three screens. And yeah, I think let me also discuss that with the client. And definitely we will also need another functionalities like for example functionality like this, where we have all the dates, and if we want to swap between like months and something like that. So I think that kind of view will also need it. This is just for the daily stuff here, right? And that's why we have that drop down. So in here we can collapse, right? So once we click on it, it will be collapsed to daily. So I think this is even experience wise, it is very good. I like it. And I will also share that with client. And yeah, see you soon. Thank you so much for staying with us.